For sale, 2019 GMC Savana Cutaway, 12-foot refrigerated box truck, configured for dependable last-mile cold chain service and daily route work. Power comes from a 4.3-liter EcoTec3 V6 rated at 276 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed GM6L80E automatic, running a 4x2 drivetrain on a 139-inch wheelbase and 9,900 pounds GVWR. Supreme aluminum box measures 12 feet long by 90 inches wide by 73 inches high, with a roll-up rear door, aluminum walk-up ramp, and step bumper for efficient dock or curbside loading. Cold is handled by a Thermo King V-220 engine-driven reefer unit, ideal for perishables and multi-stop routes. Chassis details include spring suspension, single rear axle, 4,100-pound front, 6,084-pound rear ratings, steel wheels, and a 33-gallon fuel tank. Driver conveniences include power windows and locks, plus a backup camera for safer maneuvering. Presentation is clean in white over gray. One owner, fleet-maintained unit with clean Carfax, ready to go straight to work.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.